Welcome to our Airbnb review. Find helpful links below. Today, we'll explore Airbnb's best features, who it's perfect for, and why it's a top choice for travelers seeking unique and flexible stays. Airbnb connects you with hosts offering diverse accommodations, from private homes and apartments to cabins, tiny houses, even castles and yurts. It's ideal for solo travelers, families, groups, or anyone wanting more than a standard hotel. Airbnb boasts a massive global inventory in over 100,000 cities worldwide. Book anything from a shared room to an entire property, controlling your privacy and budget. Powerful search filters let you refine by location, price, amenities, and guest ratings. Airbnb often has flexible cancellation policies, making adjustments easy. Plus, explore Airbnb experiences. Book local tours, workshops, and activities curated by hosts for a truly personalized trip. Airbnb can be budget-friendly, especially for longer stays or group travel. Hosts and guests are vetted through reviews and verification for safety. A robust support system and 24/7 customer service are there if needed. In short, Airbnb offers flexibility, variety, and local connection. Whether a city break or an extended vacation, Airbnb has you covered. Start planning your next adventure today. Check out the links below.